Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting development in global defense collaborations. The USA is joining hands with India to develop the formidable MQ-9-Reaper drone. The MQ-9-Reaper, also known as the Predator B, is a hunter-killer drone renowned for its precision, endurance, and versatility. With its advanced surveillance systems and ability to carry out precision strikes, the Reaper is a critical asset in modern warfare. In a significant move, the USA has agreed to assist India in developing its own version of the MQ-9-Reaper. This collaboration is part of the broader defense cooperation agreement between the two countries, aimed at enhancing India's defense capabilities and fostering technological innovation. For India, this partnership is a game-changer. Here are a few key benefits. Technological advancement. India will gain access to cutting-edge drone technology, enhancing its defense arsenal. Boost to indigenous production. By developing the MQ-9-Reaper domestically, India will strengthen its defense manufacturing sector. Enhanced surveillance and strike capabilities. The Reaper's advanced systems will significantly bolster India's ability to conduct surveillance and precision strikes. But what's in it for the USA? Let's take a look. Strengthened alliances. This collaboration reinforces the strategic partnership between the USA and India. Economic opportunities. American defense companies will benefit from contracts and joint ventures with Indian counterparts. Shared intelligence. Enhanced cooperation will lead to better intelligence sharing and joint operational planning. While the partnership is promising, it's not without challenges. These include technology transfer concerns, ensuring sensitive technology is protected and used responsibly. Geopolitical tensions, balancing relations with other global powers, particularly in the Indo-Pacific region. Operational integration, seamlessly integrating the MQ-9-Reaper into India's existing defense framework. Looking ahead, the collaboration on the MQ-9-Reaper is just the beginning. This partnership opens the door to further joint ventures in defense technology, paving the way for a more secure and technologically advanced future for both nations. Join us for more military updates.